Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very quick video, okay, on the steps on how to buy USDT from Remitano app. So as you can see, this is a live screen of my Remitano app. Okay, if you want to buy your USDT, you simply click on this option, P2P option. When you click on it, you see this option will appear. Sometimes here when you log in, you may see BTC there in this option. So what you need to do is simply click on this option. That is, if BTC is here or any other coin is here, you click on this option to choose another coin, and when you click on it, you see here, you search for the name of the coin at this search bar, okay, or you can quickly scroll. Okay, so you click on Theta USDT, then you click on the buy button. This is the buy button, and also you take note, this is the exchange rate now. Okay, this is the exchange rate as at today. All right, so you click on buy now. When you click on buy now, it will request you to enter the amount of a USDT that you want to buy. Okay, one interesting thing about this Remitano app is that you can buy as low as a 1 USDT, unlike other exchanges, other platform where you have a minimum of 10 USDT, that's $10 or $5. Okay, here you can buy as low as 1. But for the purpose of this video, let's quickly smash the 2 button. Okay, so let's buy 2 USDT, then you give it some seconds. Okay, it's still loading. Now you can buy now from this vendor. There is a vendor already who is willing to sell. Okay, many of them are loading. Okay, they are loading, excuse me. Okay, look at them, they are loading. Okay, so as you can see, depending on the rate of the seller, okay, these $2, these 2 USDT here, which I want to buy, this vendor is selling it at 1,507. This person is selling at 1,523. This person is selling at 1,519. So whichever one that best suits you, you quickly go and buy from the person. All right, so then here I have let's say let me go with this, okay, because I want to pay with CUDA, and I can see CUDA option here. Okay, you see UBA, CGTBC access. All right, so let me simply go there. Let me choose okay, let me go with the first one since it's the cheapest. All right, so I'll click on buy now, the first one. I'll click on buy now, then I'll wait. Okay, they say that my balance is insufficient to start to trade. Do you want to deposit now? Let me click on deposit. Okay, click on yes. Then okay, it leads me to another site. Let me say let me select First Bank. Click on continue. Then let me see. They say my order is generated successfully. So here, if there is, okay, I can click on close. Okay, it's looking for the vendor. As you can see, now I've been given a vendor already. So the amount to be paid is this. All right, then bank transfer content, this is what I'm to write here. Okay, you understand, that's for here. So what I'll now do is I'll simply click on copy. Okay, I've copied it already. Then the amount I will transfer, it's this amount. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Okay, that's the amount I'm going to transfer. Then the bank transfer content that I will see, I will copy it above, which is this one. Okay, I hope you can see it. Let me circle it. This is it, the bank transfer content. Yeah, so I'll tap on this copy in front of it, then I'll come here, then I will paste it. Okay, then I'll say I am ready to transfer the money. You understand? So now this is what we actually did. Okay, in case you haven't in case you doubt, or rather in case you are not clear, you click on this copy here. Okay, then when you click on this copy here, you paste it here. You understand? Then you click on this copy here. When you click on it, you paste it here. You understand? Then you now click I am ready to transfer. All right, I am ready to transfer. Then this is it. They say you transfer this money to this account. Okay, hope you can see it on the screen. I'll transfer the money to this account. Then the bank details is this. The bank is an Access Bank. The exact amount I'm going to transfer is this. Okay, then exactly with the content, already I've copied the content. Okay, but if I still want to copy, I can go here. That is under history. You understand? Under history. So I'll quickly do that. I'll be very fast about it. So in your own case, you can go to you just go to your app. Okay, you go to your bank, your mobile banking app, so that you transfer the money immediately. Okay, now I go quickly. Let me click on a transfer account. Okay, and I've taken note that it is an Access Bank. All right, so let me quickly do the transfer now. So after copying the bank account, okay, you paste it at your mobile banking app. Then you confirm the name, you input the exact amount, then you put this at the narration history, or rather at the narration section. All right, that is, this one will be at the narration section. So let me quickly do the transfer now. Okay, and come back to this video. Okay, so I just made the transfer. Okay, I just made the transfer. This is the confirmation here. Okay, look at it here. I just made the transfer, as you can see it here. So I have successfully made the transfer. This is the amount. All right, this is the amount here. Now I will simply click on I have sent the payment. Okay, I have sent the payment. Now remember, you will need the screenshot. All right, you need the screenshot. So let me click I have sent the payment. You give it some time to load. Then you are required to submit your payment proof. So whatever, when you send the money to the given account, you take a screenshot, okay, or you download the transaction receipt so that you submit it as an evidence here. Okay, okay, so this is my transaction receipt. So let me go back to my Remitano app. Okay, so I'll click on submit payment proof. Okay, I'll click on it. I've done that already. I think it's loading. Okay, then I will tap on this option at the center here. I'll tap here. Then let me upload from library, from photo library. Okay, let me go to gallery. Let me go to album, all photos. So this is it, the first one. I'll select it. Okay, then I will allow it to upload. Then after that, I will click on the submit option. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Give it some time. Okay, as you can see, this is it. All right, so this is it. This is my payment proof. All right, so I'll now click on submit. Checking your proof of payment, you can see the option. They are trying to confirm whether the transaction was successful or not. Okay, so the current status is it's still pending. They are trying to check it. Okay, so hold on a bit. You hold on a bit. So this will take some time. It will take some time, but once it's approved, once your payment has been confirmed, within, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you see that your account will be credited with the 2 USDT that you bought. Then you can now use it to swap to any coin. If you want to buy Remitano, if you want to buy any other coin, okay, sorry, if you want to buy RENEC, okay, which is the native token of the Remitano app, you can simply swap. All right, and you will get the equivalent of the amount you sent. Okay, so let's still wait. And if let's say if you made a mistake, if you feel you that the transaction receipt you sent is wrong, you can edit it. Okay, you can simply edit it by coming here. You click on edit payment proof. so that you replace this the current uploaded one, you replace it with the right one. Okay, you can as well cancel your deposits. All right, then if you have any challenge and you want to contact the customer care, you can click here and contact the support team. Okay, that is if you have any challenges, if you have any problem with your deposit. Okay, they are still trying to confirm my payment. I think this is taking a bit longer, so you just have to exercise patience. So once the the payment has been confirmed, you receive your USDT in your wallet. All right. So that is how to buy USDT from this Remitano app. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the USDT, how to swap it against any coin. That is to buy any cryptocurrency. Okay, let's say you want to buy Renek, you want to buy BTC, you want to buy any other coin at all listed on the exchange wallet. Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so guys, thank you for being with me to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, interesting, quickly smash the subscribe button. Okay, you like my videos, drop your comments. If you have any question, if you have any challenge at all, please do well to drop it at the comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. All right, thank you guys for being with me to the end of my video. See you in my next video. Thank you.